Hello, dear audience, honorable viewers. This is Sher Afzal, the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA. The journey of 8 years took me across the globe for the enhancement, for the growth of businesses. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. Build Asia 21st Expo is being organized by e-commerce gateways. The ultimate objective of Global CEO Club is to strengthen businesses all over the world, to support business community, to have alliances, to have collaborations, to have partnerships all over the world. Thank you. Respectable audience, this is Sher Afzal, the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club. It's a private limited company scattered across the globe. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. This expo is being organized by e-commerce gateway Pakistan and with the name of Build Asia. Mia Arib Shoaib from MSA Tiles with us. I request Mia Shoaib, please share with us about your brand, about your product range, please.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity. So, I'm from 3A and MSA Tiles and Vision Engineering. What we do is we produce, manufacture concrete trouser tiles. We deliver all over Pakistan. It's a Pakistani-made product. It's a competitor of marble, so that's more primarily focused in commercial areas, hospitals, schools, and different railway stations and everything. Other than that, we import welding material, anything that is used for welding products, welding flux, rolled rods, and then fabrication material as well, as you can see here as well. So these are the two products that we manufacture and import as well. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Shoaib, when you people started this MSA Tiles,
Right.
when you people started this
We started in 2018.
2018, around 8 years
Yes.
have gone till date.
Yes.
Mr. Shoaib, thank you so much. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club. As you are exhibiting here, Global CEO Club is also organizing different types of expos across the world.
Right.
One expo is being organized in France, second one is being organized in Poland. Global CEO Club is also a part of global business event, that is Global Business Summit in Bulgaria. So once again, I am very grateful to you people, and be part of Global CEO Club so that international alliances, international business partnerships, international investments can be done through Global CEO Club.
Right.
Global CEO Club has multiple business segments for the growth, for the support of business community. So be part of Global CEO Club so that growth can be sought all over the world.
Definitely, sir.
So thank you so much.
Thank you for
Have
the
a nice
opportunity.
time. Thank you,
Likewise,
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.